Welcome back, guys. So in previous lectures we have talked about the expected value and also the conceptual overview of the standard deviation and variance. Today we are going to talk about three more very important conceptual quantities, and these are the mean, median and mode. Okay, and what are the need of calculating the mean, median and mode of a data. Okay, so suppose we have a data, and in that data we have certain points. Okay, so we have, let me have 5, 4, 1, 3, 8, 2, 1, 4 and 3. Okay, so here we have this data, and on the basis of this data we have to find the statistical analysis of this data. And in order to analyze it statistically, we have three quantities which are mean, median and mode. Okay, so what is basically the mean? Okay, in order to find out the mean, let me write here the mean. Okay, so what is mean? In order to find the mean, what do I have to do? I will do what? I will add all the quantities which are here. So the quantities I have are 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 8, 2, 4 plus 3. Okay, so these are all the numbers which we have here, and in order to find the mean of it, what I have to do, I have to add them together, and at the end, after adding them, I have to divide it over the total number of the data items or data samples which I have. So how many number of items do I have? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 numbers and I have to divide it over 9. Okay, so let me add them. So 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13 plus 8 is 21. 21, 23, 24. 24 plus 4 is 28 and 3 is 31. So 31 divided by 9, and dividing it over 39, what I will get, so 31 divided by 9, so 9 3 27. Okay, 4 will be here, and here I will get 9 4 36. Okay, and 4 again, so again and again, so I will have here 3.445. okay, so I have 3.45. so this is what, this is called the mean or expected value of the data which I have here. Okay, so this is the expected value of the overall samples which I have. So suppose this is what, this is the quantity that a certain number of the rice has been consumed in 9 weeks. So in order to find the expected value, what I have to do, this is the expected value. Okay, we can also demonstrate it by using the graph like this one. So let me have these 9 numbers. So these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and the data points I have are the 5 4 1, okay, 3 8 2, this is 2, also 1, okay, this is 4, and the last one is 3 here. Okay, so these are all the numbers which are basically distributed here. Okay, so this is the distribution of the numbers which I have here. Okay, so in order to find the average of them, which is 3.45, and to write it here, what I will have here, so let me have this 3, so 3.45 is almost here. So this is what, this is the expected value of the numbers which I will have, which will remain constant here, and this is the constant quantity which will remain constant throughout the weeks. Okay, so this is the average value or the mean value of the rice consumed in a certain area in certain weeks. Okay, so this is the mean value of a number. Similarly, what if I want to find out the median? So what is basically the median? Median is basically the mid value. Okay, so what are the numbers I have here? So this is the data and these are the numbers, and in order to find the median, what I have to do, let me calculate the median of it here. So in order to calculate the median of it, first of all I have to sort it. So in sorting it, let me find the lowest numbers which I have here. So the lowest numbers which I have here is 1. Okay, the first number is here, so let me remove it from here. The second lowest number is also 1 here, so let me write it here. This is again 1. Okay, after it the lowest number is 2, so removing it and writing it here, so this will be 2. Okay, after it I will have here 3. Okay, so this will be 3 3. Okay, 3 3. Okay, so let me have 3 3, and after it the other number is 4, so 2 4s here, so let me cross them, so 2 4s here as well. So here I will have 4 4. Okay, so 2 4s are crossed, and the after it we have 5, so the 5 is also crossed, and writing it here I will have 5, and the last number I have it is 8, so crossing it and writing it here, so this is what this is 8. So these are all the numbers, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so these are the 9 numbers, and in order to find the median of it, I have to do what? I have to find the mid value of it. So this is basically the mid value, and we can see that there are 4 values which are here. So let me use another color which is this red, so we can see that this is 3 and 4 values are at the left side of it, and there are also 4 values at the right side of it. So what is this 3 is basically the what this is called the median value. Okay, so this is the median of a value, and in this case we have the odd numbers. Okay, so let me write them. So in values where we have odd numbers, so we will have in this the mid value. Okay, mid value of sorted data. So suppose if we had also another number here, and let me have here also another 3. Okay, so we have here another 3, and writing that 3 here, what I will have now, the data I have is basically composed of the even numbers. So we can see that here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, we have 10 numbers which are 1 1 2 3 3 4 4 5 8. So here in order to find the mid value, what I have to do, I have to see that how many items are in the at the mid of it. So we can see here very clearly that these two numbers are in the middle. So in order to find the median of it, in this case where the numbers here are even, so what I have to do, I have to find the two mid values which are here. So I have to find them and I have to add them, and after adding them I have to divide it over 2. So this will be 6 divided by 2, and that would be 3 as well. So what is this? This is the median value of my data which is here. Okay, so I hope the concept of the median value is also clear now. Okay, so this is the concept of the median value. Similarly, suppose I have a certain shop in which the consumer has collected or found out some sizes which are mentioned here. So these sizes are 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 5, say 5 and 8 feet. So in order to order, or in order to see that what are the sizes which are more consumable in a certain city or in a certain area, how to order them. Okay, so there are different ways of ordering them. The first one is to see the mean of it. So I can see that 3.45 is not the size of a certain quantity because this is 3.45 and we don't have here, and he cannot order 3.45. Similarly, we can see that 3 is also the whole number which can be a size, but in many scenarios it cannot be the size as well. So in that scenarios we have a concept which is called mode of a number. So in order to find the mode of a number, let me move down somehow. Okay, so in order to find the mode of a number, what I have to do, so mode of a data is what? Mode of a data is most repeated value or data point. So what is the most repeated data point? Here we can see that we have here 1. So 1 is repeated 2 times. Similarly, we can see that we have 2. So 2 is repeated 1 times. We have here 3. 3 is repeated. We can see 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Okay. Similarly, here we have 4. So 4 is repeated 1 to 2 times. Similarly, 5 is repeated 1 times, and also 8, which is repeated 1 times. Okay, so what is the value which is repeated mostly? So that is here 3. So 3 is what? 3 is the mode value. Okay, so for the data which we have. Okay, so mode of it is 3, and this is what, this is the answer. So in this lecture we have seen the conceptual overview of the mean, median and mode. Okay, so I hope all the quantities or all the concept which we had here are covered now. So these are basically the 3 quantities which are very important for the new buys to grasp the concept of the statistical analysis and analyzing the data which we have to infer some information from. So I hope all the concepts and all the relevant things related to the mean and median and mode are covered in this section. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. I will see you with some more interesting stuff in our upcoming video. Till then, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon.